Every waterfall has its own personality.
Good morning, YouTube. Scott Dunnage Garage. How you doing today? In this episode, we are continuing our Tennessee waterfall tour, heading to Rock Island. Stay tuned. All right, on the way to the falls, we did see this scenic overlook, so I figured we'd stop. Now let's continue the trip.
I wasn't expecting much on this stop, but this place caught me off guard fast. Before you even see the main drop, you start here, a hillside absolutely exploding with flowing water. The stairs were running like a creek, not from rain, but from countless natural springs pouring straight out of the hillside. It felt like the whole slope was leaking. Everywhere I looked, water was carving its own path, many falls and narrow channels cutting straight through the hillside. And through the trees, the main waterfall finally showed itself.
Now the walk down to the Great Falls is a real short hike, but it puts you down in basically the gorge area where there's just all the water and all the rocks to explore. You are going to get your feet wet because you're walking down a trail that is right next to a whole bunch of natural springs that are flowing down the same trail. So expect that. It is breathtaking.
As I continued to the bottom of the gorge, I wandered over to the smaller waterfalls first, then looped back to explore the main river section. Down here, the water slows just enough to carve out these deep pools in the rock, a completely different scene from the rushing hillside above. Every turn has something moving, splashing, shaping the stone. But that was just chapter 1. One more stop ahead, Twin Falls, the big finale.
All right, we just finished up with Great Falls. Now we're on our way to Twin Falls, which is still part of the same park. You just have to get on the other side of the bridge. All right, we are still at Rock Island, but we're on the other side of the park. We're heading down to Twin Falls. This by far has got to be the biggest and prettiest set of falls I've seen on this tour yet.
Twin Falls hits differently, wider, louder, and absolutely unmistakable, even from the top of the trail.
Well, we made it to Twin Falls. This is amazing. And you get to get close. It's a real short hike. Highly recommend it.
And there it is, front row. The last stop of the series, and absolutely worthy of the finale shot. One last look back, one last hike out, and that wraps up the adventure, at least for now. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, we'll see you in the next video. Have a blessed day.